Creating an online course is one thing. Making sure your students actually finish it and get results is another. A well-structured course keeps students engaged, helps them stay motivated, and makes your content easier to sell. In this video, I'll show you how to structure your course the right way so your students stay engaged and excited to complete it. Step 1, start with the transformation. Before outlining your course, ask yourself, what's the end goal for my students? A great course takes someone from point A to point B as quickly and efficiently as possible. For example, if your course is about social media, the goal might be get your first 1,000 Instagram followers. If it's a fitness course, the goal could be lose 10 pounds in 30 days with strength training. When you know the transformation you're promising, every lesson in your course should guide students toward that result. Step 2, break it into clear, easy-to-follow sections. Your course should be divided into modules or phases that make learning simple and structured. A good rule of thumb is to break your course into 3 to 6 main modules, each covering a big milestone. For example, if you're teaching content creation, your structure might look like this. Module 1, setting up your content strategy. Module 2, creating engaging posts. Module 3, growing your audience. Module 4, monetizing your content. Each module should have short, actionable lessons so students never feel overwhelmed. Step 3, keep each lesson short and focused. People's attention spans are short. If your lessons are too long, students will feel overwhelmed and drop off. Try to keep each video lesson between 5 to 15 minutes max. If a topic takes longer to explain, break it into multiple smaller lessons. Step 4, use a mix of content styles. Different people learn in different ways, so make sure your course includes video lessons, screen shares, slides or face-to-camera, workbooks or PDFs for action steps, quizzes or interactive activities to reinforce learning. A mix of formats helps increase engagement and completion rates. Step 5, end with a clear next step. What should students do after completing your course? Give them a final action plan, a bonus module, or a next step like joining a coaching program or community. The more direction you provide, the more likely they are to take action and get results. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below and let me know. What's the biggest challenge in structuring your course? And if you need help organizing your content, grab my free course topic and naming guide at the link below. If you're ready to start building, get a 30-day free trial of Kajabi to host and sell your course. Pro tip, pre-sell your course in Kajabi during the first 30 days to cover your subscription cost. Now go build a course that keeps students engaged and taking action.